Today I am reviewing the ALORAIR PureAiro HEPA Max 870 Air Scrubber. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever dealt with a home renovation project that left your house feeling like a literal dust bowl, you know that a standard box fan or a cheap air purifier just does not cut it. I have been putting the ALORAIR PureAiro HEPA Max 870 through its paces for the last few weeks, and after using it in everything from a dusty garage workshop to a room undergoing drywall sanding, I have some very specific thoughts on whether this industrial-grade beast is actually worth the investment for your home or job site. Right out of the box, you notice that this is not a consumer-grade appliance. It is built like a tank. The rotomolded plastic housing is incredibly rugged, and I honestly think you could knock this thing over a dozen times on a job site, and it would barely show a scratch. It is definitely designed for the rigors of restoration work, but that toughness comes with a trade-off in terms of aesthetics. It is a big, blue, utilitarian box. It is not going to win any interior design awards, but if you are looking for something that can take a beating while you are stripping paint or tearing out old carpeting, the durability here is genuinely impressive. The filtration system is the heart of this machine, and it uses a three-stage setup that I found very effective. You have got your pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and the main HEPA filter. In my testing, the pre-filter did a fantastic job of catching the bulk of the larger dust and debris, which saved the more expensive HEPA filter from getting clogged up too quickly. If you're doing heavy construction or dealing with fire and water damage, this setup is a lifesaver. You can check the links below the video if you want to see the current pricing or grab the replacement filters, because you're going to need them if you run this thing consistently. One of the features I really appreciated during actual use is the variable speed control. It is not just an on-off switch. You can dial it down to a whisper-quiet level if you are working in a space where you still need to take phone calls, or crank it all the way up when you need maximum air exchange. At the highest setting, it is loud, let's be honest. It sounds like a jet engine, but that is the trade-off for the sheer volume of air it can cycle through. If you are scrubbing the air in a large basement or a living room full of drywall dust, you will want that power. I also liked the inclusion of the daisy chain GFCI outlet. It sounds like a small detail, but when you are working in a space with limited outlets, being able to plug another tool or a light directly into the scrubber is a huge quality of life improvement. The hour meter is another practical touch that I found useful for keeping track of when it is time to swap those filters out. You do not want to guess when your filters are spent because once they are clogged, the machine is just moving air around without actually cleaning it, and that defeats the whole purpose. Now, let's talk about the disappointments, because no product is perfect. First off, this thing is not light. While it is portable in the sense that you can carry it from room to room, it is bulky. If you have a multi-story home, you're going to feel the weight of it after a few trips up and down the stairs. It is definitely not a grab-and-go device like a small air purifier. It is a piece of industrial equipment, and it takes up a fair amount of floor space. Another thing to keep in mind is the price of the filters. While the unit itself is a solid investment, the cost of the replacement HEPA filters adds up over time. If you are buying this for a one-off DIY project, it might be overkill. However, if you are a professional contractor or someone who is constantly doing home improvements, the cost of the filters is just a standard operating expense. You can find the links to the filters and the unit below the video to see if the current bundle deals make sense for your budget. Who is this for? I would say this is perfect for anyone doing significant home restoration, woodworkers who deal with fine sawdust, or anyone who has suffered water damage and needs to prevent mold spores from circulating. It is also excellent for people with severe allergies who need a high-performance air scrubbing solution during a renovation. Who should avoid it? If you're just looking for something to keep your bedroom air clean while you sleep, look elsewhere. This is way too loud, too large, and frankly too industrial for a bedroom setting. You are paying for features like the GFCI outlet and the massive intake capacity, which are completely unnecessary for a standard living environment. I also want to mention the support aspect. ALORAIR offers a 10-year warranty on the housing and 1 year on parts and labor. That gives me a lot of confidence in the build quality. It is clear they expect this unit to be used in rough environments, and they are backing up that design choice with a solid support structure. In my testing, the air quality in my workshop improved significantly within just an hour of running the unit on high. The dust that usually settles on every surface in the room was noticeably reduced. It does exactly what it says on the box, which is refreshing in a market full of overpromised and underdelivered air purifiers. To wrap this up, the ALORAIR PureAiro HEPA Max 870 is a workhorse. It is not pretty, it is not quiet on high speed, and it is not cheap to maintain, but it is incredibly effective. If you have a serious dust or air quality problem in a construction or restoration context, this is a tool that will get the job done. If you want to explore the specs further or check the latest pricing, remember to take a look at the links below the video. It is a specialized tool for a specific job, and if that job is yours, it is an easy recommendation.